The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better lose any.
Well, good morning, it's John Neal here. It's Wednesday, the 24th of December 2025, which makes it Christmas Eve. And it's a bright and sunny morning for once. We've had a few quite wet, not wet, but dull, overcast days, so it's nice to get out with all the feasting that's going on. Just on a regular bike ride, out and about, see what we can see. It's one of those, you know, see what we can see. I'll try and make it Christmas if I can. Oh dear, see what we can do. Okay, come on then. Well, it started off okay. Church bells and a bit of holly and some red berries.
There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire.
Right, a quick word as we bowl along in the sunshine and the freezing cold. It's just above freezing, probably about 2 degrees, and it is not warm, but it's good to get out. The odd thing about an electric bike, of course, is you're not putting the energy in to make it go, so you don't warm up at the same way you might do on a regular bike. A regular bike, some people call them acoustic, like they're talking about electric guitars and acoustic guitars, of which I know a thing or two, but I wouldn't call this an electric bike opposite to, thank you, an acoustic bike. Doesn't make sense. That's the best they can come up with. It's just gone past the winter solstice, the 21st of December, and from here on in the days are getting longer and the nights shorter, because currently the days are pretty short and the nights are very long. It gets dark here. I'm on about 52 degrees north, I think, here in England, middle of England, and yeah, it gets dark about 4 o'clock. What were we on? British? No, we're on Greenwich Mean Time still. So there we go. So it's the middle of winter basically, and it's why we have Christmas when we have it, because of course there is nothing in the Bible that says when Jesus was born at all. So by hook or by crook, oh, nearly ran over a squirrel, we have Christmas in the middle of winter. Oh, just come to Stoke Golding. I've stopped here before now, and I'm near Owl Homes, a show home. Really rather nice actually. Oakwood. I was saying about this the other day. Oakwood, Stoke Golding, no oak at all. There's a big tree at the back there, but that's it. But actually, quite a nice looking house, that. And I noticed it's got solar panels built on it all at the same time. That probably going for 500,000, if you want to know. Pretty good guess, I think. Right, on we go. See what we can see. I promised you something Christmassy, didn't I? There's a tree there, a fir tree actually. It is a Christmas tree and it's got lights on it, so that'll do for a start. Well, if that's the best you can do. We're in Stoke Golding, which is one of the many villages which have connections with the Battle of Bosworth. And over here we have a blue plaque. Let's have a look, see what it says. Crown Hill. Near this spot, following the Battle of Bosworth, King Henry VII was crowned, and thus began the Tudor dynasty on the 22nd of August 1485. Well, the best I can do Christmassy now is some more Christmassy music. Enjoy.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Oh, yeah.
Well, it's chilly and but it's good to be out, if only for a short while. Yeah, so I'm going to finish off here. I'll see if I can spot one or two things to see on the way back. But it's nice to get out. The chaos of Christmas time gets a bit out of hand, doesn't it? So commercialised, really. But it's nice to have a break. I look forward to Christmas, always have. It's very nice. It's just good to do something festive and bright and colourful in the middle of winter. So, morning. That's twice, you didn't need to do that. So from the canal, it's not a basin really, here the other side of Higham on the Hill. Merry Christmas, and you'll see me in the next one. Okay, bye bye.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here.
Oh, as a postscript, if you think I'm looking a bit portly, one, unfortunately I am, but it's cold weather, you've got to eat to keep up your strength, haven't you? Also, I've got about 3 or 4 layers on, so keep out the cold. So, no comments, thank you very much.
Well, all around me